Consider the parabola y equal to x squared minus 4x plus 5. Part 1. Find the coordinates of the vertex and the focus. Part 2. Find the equation of the directrix. We know that y is equal to x squared. So therefore, we use this equation here, x squared is equal to 4ay. So now what we need to do is we convert this equation here into a perfect square form. So first of all, I write this down first. So y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 5. Now, to make it into perfect square, so we halve this first. So half of minus 4 is minus 2. So y is equal to x minus 2 or square. If you expand x minus 2 or square out, so this means that x squared, x times minus 2 is minus 2x. You double it, so give you minus 4x, and then you minus 2 times minus 2 is plus 4. So therefore, plus 4 is extra. So therefore, we need to get rid of this 4 by minus 4. So minus 4 on this side and minus 4 on this side as well. So therefore, I take away 4 out. So now this one here is the same. So the plus 5, I just write this down. Now I simplified. So y is equal to x minus 2 all square plus 1, because minus 4 plus 5 is 1. Now I need to convert into this form. So I move 1 on the other side, I move 1 on this side, or a minus 1 on both sides. It's the same thing. So y minus 1 is equal to x minus 2 all square. So now this is the same as x minus 2 all square is equal to y minus 1. You can bracket it like that. So now we just compare. 4a is in front of y, so 4a is nothing here, it means 1. So we compare. So 4a is equal 1. So this implies that, or therefore, a is, you divide by 4, so which is a quarter. So we know that this equation here, we can simply write it down. The vertex is 2, 1. That's a vertex or turning point if you like. So therefore, the vertex of this is 2, 1. Now to find the focus point, so I just do a quick sketch. You don't have to, but it's good to sketch so you know exactly where it is. So turning point or vertex is 2, 1, 2, 1 roughly here, and it's positive. So x squared is positive, so the graph is upright. And then this one here is 2, 1. And then what happened? A is a quarter, so it's move a quarter up. So move a quarter up. So that means 2 and add a quarter. So 1 plus a quarter is 1 and a quarter. That is the focus point. So therefore, the vertex is this, and the focus point F is 2, 1 and a quarter. Now, part 2, find the equation of the directrix. So the equation of the directrix is of course a quarter down from 1. So I redraw this so make it easier. So like this to see. So this is 2, 1 and going down a quarter because A is a quarter. So this is a quarter here and a quarter here. So the line is this. So y equal 1 minus quarter is 3/4. So therefore, the equation of directrix is y is equal to 3/4. Please pause the video and try to do this one yourself. So we know that the parabola y is equal to x squared. So x squared, it means that x, we can use this general rule, is x squared is equal to 4ay. So all we need to do is to convert this into a perfect square form first. Then we can find the coordinate of the vertex and the coordinate of the focus. So first of all, I write this out here. So y is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 3. So make it into perfect square form. So y equal a half the 2, so which is 1. So that means x plus 1 all square. Now if I expand this out, so what happened is give me up to here exactly the same, but 1 square extra. So therefore I minus 1 out. So now, so these two here is the same. So now I just add 3. The 3 here, I just bring it down. That's all. So that's what it is. So if you're not sure, you always half this. Half of 2, give me 1. So you expand and you can compare like this. If you're not sure, you put them like this first, you expand. So that means x squared, x times 1 is x, and you double, so plus 2x. And then plus 1 square is 1. See, to get rid of this one, I just minus 1 here, and then minus 1. See, that's what I get. And then 3, I just write it down. So that's it. What I do, I just simplify it first. So y is equal to x plus 1 all square minus 1 plus 3 is plus 2. So now I move the 2 on this side, which is y minus 2 is equal to x plus 1 all square. So this is the same as x squared, x plus 1 all square is equal to y minus 2. So I can bracket it if you like. Then you can just compare. So 4a is 1 here if you like. So 1 equal 4a. So I just comparing it. So 4a is equal to 1. So a is a quarter. So we know that the vertex v, so I'm just answering the question now, find the vertex. So the vertex is v is negative 1 and 2. So for y value. So that's a vertex. Now to find the coordinate of focus, so what I do, I just do a quick sketch. So I just quickly do a quick sketch here. Again, when you draw a graph, it's easier to see. That's all. So negative 1, 2. So negative 1 here, 2 up here somewhere, roughly. And then y equal x squared is upright. So I just quickly draw this like that. So now is negative 1, 2 is the vertex. Because a is a quarter, the focal length is a quarter. So you just move a quarter up. So which is 2 plus a quarter is 2 1/4. So therefore, this point here, focal point is negative 1, 2 1/4. These are focal point. So therefore, the focus point is negative 1, 2 1/4. Now, to find the equation of the directric. So that the equation of directric is from negative 1, 2 from this point, go down 1/4. So this means that go down quarter. This is the equation of directric because the y value is going down by a quarter. So this means that this equation here, this straight line here, y is equal to 2 minus a quarter, which give me 1 3/4. So therefore, the equation of the directric is y is equal to 1 3/4. Thank you so much for watching.